turn on your camera because we will start right now. So turn on your cameras, be focused in the class, right? Because this is our last class of spelling, right? We are gonna make a review and then we're gonna work in some exercises I have for you. Yes? So I need you to tell me, guys, which is the topic that we are discussing in spelling.
Suffixes.
Suffixes, right? And when we are gonna use suffixes, or how, or when, or where. Tell me where we are gonna uh, have suffixes. At
At the end of the word.
the end of the word, right? Remember that some words are divided, right, into three parts. We can have suffixes, prefixes, and also we have the root of the word, right? In this case, we have the root of the word, and then we add suffixes and at the end, right? Now, guys, which were the suffixes that we were discussing during this week? Tell me.
Full, less,
Right.
less,
Less. What do we mean when we add less at the end of the word?
and
Without.
to.
Without. Without. What about full? Full is the other one. Full. What happened when we add full to the end of the word?
More.
Sorry?
More.
That is a lot, right? That is full of that. Yes? And the other one?
Meant.
Man. What do we mean with man when we add man at the end of the word? What? Guys, tell me what? Tell me. Don't be afraid. Tell me. If you don't remember, go and look for your notes because I know that you write something, you wrote something about it. What we mean when we mention the word meant. Okay, actually,
The
meant at the end of the word. Andrea, Larissa?
is the act of or state of.
Yes, that is stage, right? Now, another one. We have full, less, mean, and what else?
Nest.
Nest. And what do we mean when we say nest?
The state of
What you
being.
say next, mister?
What do we mean when we mention the word nest or when we add nest at the end of the word?
I know, mister.
Okay, tell me.
Are darkness, goodness.
Okay, good job. And what about the last one? Which is the last one?
Lee.
Which one? Lead, right? And what we mean when we say lead or when we add mean at the end of the word? Lead. What do we mean with lead?
To describe how.
To describe how, right? Samuel,
Question.
Gustavo, and Kenneth, if you are not in
Question.
classes, I'm gonna put you at the waiting room. Yes, you know the
Question.
yes, I like that. Okay, Bayran, tell me.
A word can has two suffixes.
Two suffixes?
Yes.
I guess not. It is impossible.
Okay.
And but they can have a prefix and a suffix, right? In the same word. Yes. But two suffixes is impossible. Now, guys, I'm gonna share with you an exercise I have. Just there are here. Actually, here I have some. Here I have, guys, some of the some suffixes that we haven't studied yet, right? But we're gonna avoid these ones. Like,
Mister, we're gonna discuss the homework.
sorry,
We're gonna discuss the homework.
Yes, we're gonna do it later, no worries. We have time. Yes?
Una que me mandó Olivia hace un tiempo, fíjate que yo iba a hacer algo de responsabilidad civil.
So, we are going to eliminate from this one. What else? This one we haven't studied. Yes, we have good as well, that, and this one. And then what we're gonna do here, guys, with this little, this is like a main map, right? So, we're gonna draw this on your notebook, and then you are gonna draw the cloud, and inside the cloud you're gonna write some suffixes. Hurry up right now.
Just the three.
Just the cloud, right?
Just for suffixes.
Yeah, some suffixes. But be careful with this, because the one that has the letter X, you won't do it. You will have to draw just nest, meant, and this one, T.
Do that. I how to do that.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. And then you are gonna draw five these lines, and you are gonna place the ones that we have studied. Like for example, we have nest, meant, we have Lee here, and what else is missing here? It's missing nest, less, full. Yes?
Mr. But I can see the suffix is good because the X.
I'm telling you that these suffixes that I have here is because you haven't studied this one yet. That's why we have
Mr.
to, that's why we have to use the ones that we already studied. Yes? Do you understand now?
Yes.
This is just an idea about what you are gonna do right now. We will do the same as here, right? Like a main map. And then with the word nest, mention to, did you finish?
Yes.
Yes? May we continue? Hurry up. I'm gonna give you time. Remember that you have to have a five little this one, right? Five of these options. Of this one, right? La flecha que tenemos aquí, you have to have five. 4, 5. And then in the first one, you're gonna write nest. The second one, meant. And this one that we have the X, we're gonna write, I'm gonna write here, the word pool, yes. And this one is lead, but we're gonna use it as a less, and this one we're gonna use them as lead. Now, do you understand? Do you
Yes.
understand, guys? Okay.
I already finished the thing
Sorry?
that I already finished.
You finished the cloud with the five things? Yes or not?
Me, yes.
Okay, what about the rest? May we continue, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now actually what we're gonna do, let's start with nest. So think in two words that you can add the word nest and then write them here.
Kindness.
I have.
Don't say it. Don't say them because at the end we're gonna discuss which words you have, right? Don't say them. Just write them. With nest, to work with nest. You finish the to work with nest?
Yes. Yes, I finished.
Now, let's continue then. Let's with the word meant. Two words with the word meant. Did you finish?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now let's continue with the word fool. Fool. With the word fool.
Finish.
You finished? With the word fool. Yes?
Finish.
Two words, right? Now, with the word less. Two words with the word less.
Finish.
And then,
Finish.
two words with the word leave. And then we are going to discuss. When you finish, you let me know. Everybody finish?
Yes, finish.
Yes? Gabriela, did you finish? Andrea, did you finish? Cristian, Brisa, Miguel Eduardo, Sebastián, Gustavo, Samuel, Leticia, Kenneth. Kenneth, would you like to be in the waiting room? The same as Hillary. Did you finish, guys?
Yes, I
Okay,
finished.
so now tell me which words you have with meant, with nest, sorry, that it was the first one.
Mr. I
Kindness.
have. I have one.
Volunteers, raise your hands, turn on your microphone and raise your hands. Okay, Angela, you read the requirements to
Yes, mister.
participate. Okay,
What was the suffix ness?
yes,
Closeness and cloudiness.
cloudy,
Ness.
okay, yes. Now with the word meant, Gleanies,
I have equipment and treatment.
treatment, yes, good job. Now with the word fool, raise your hand. Brisa, excellent Brisa, with the word fool.
Beautiful and hopeful.
Yes, beautiful and thoughtful. With the word, sorry, with the suffix less. Bayron was the first one.
Lifeless, effortless.
Okay, good job. Now, the last one, Kenneth, with the word lean. Which one you have? With the suffix lean.
Lovely.
Lovely, and what else?
Speedily.
Okay, guys, good job. Now we're gonna work in your practice. Show me the cloud that you did right now. Show me the cloud. Yeah, good job. Excellent. Sebastian, show me your work. Yes, good. Samuel, get closer, please, because I can see. No miro desde lejos. Mis lentes no los tengo ready. So, Sebastian, Samuel, show me. Samuel, did you do the cloud that we just did? Leticia, what about Leticia? Leticia, Samuel, Sebastian, show me again. Okay, Leticia, good job. Sebastian now, and then Samuel. Good job. Hurry up,
Mister, el cuadro yo no.
Sebastian. Sebastian, I can see what you did. Could you please show me? Gabriela, show me, please.
Gabriela se trabó.
Yes, I get that. Okay, but we're waiting for Sebastián and Samuel. Sebastián, show me what you
No
did.
have the square.
If you don't show, it means that you are not working. Yes. Okay, Sebastián, good. What about Samuel?
No, Mister, I not have the square.
Ah, you are not working then. I understand. Okay,
No.
I understand that you are not working. Okay, let's continue then, guys. Remember that each exercise that we do in classes, they have a value, guys. So you have to work. Now we're gonna work in the last page on this week. That is page 258. Yes, 258. Are you in the page?
What page, Mister? I didn't hear.
258. 258.
Mister,
Sorry?
I finished that
Finish?
page.
You will finish that page, guys?
Yes.
Okay, good job, excellent. So, which is
No,
the first?
Mister.
You didn't do it?
No.
Okay,
No, Mister.
probably they did it at home, but it is good. Okay, we're gonna do it right now then for the rest of the class. Yes? So we're gonna read then and then we're gonna identify the words that we see that have suffixes, right? Let's start then. Miguel Eduardo, tell me to read. I repeat 4 times the number of the page. 258. Miguel Eduardo, could you please start reading what we have?
Okay. Katie's neighborhood had the feeling of closeness that might exist in a small settlement.
Okay, stop there. How many words we have there that has suffixes?
One,
Two.
two.
Good, right? We have closeness and then we have settlement. So you have to
Yes.
write it. Then you have to write it in the lines we have. Number one would be closeness and the other one would be, number two would be settlement. Christian Menjiva, read the next part.
It seemed almost to have its own government, with a homeowners association group and a neighborhood crime watch.
Okay, how many words we have? So how many suffixes in that part?
One.
Just one, right? We have just government. Yes?
Yes.
Andrea Larissa, continue reading.
Katie decided to join the neighborhood community and start a babysitting group. She found it to be an early effortless job to sign up babysitters who want to be in the club.
Okay, how many words we have there? How many?
One.
One. Four less, right? Glynis, continue, please. Everybody.
Everybody understood that there would be no forgiveness for tardiness in the job, and that nobody could be forgetful.
Stop there. How many?
Three.
Three. We have forgiveness, tardiness, and forgetful. Yes. Kenneth, finish the reading, please.
One rainy morning, Katie made flyers to advertise the babysitting club. As soon as she had finished, the rain stopped, and the sun erased all traces of cloudiness.
Okay.
She then took enjoyment in distributing the flyers to the plentiful supply of prospective
Client, right? So how many words?
3,
Three, right? Which one are they? Cloudiness, enjoyment, and
plentiful.
plenty, right? So guys,
Supply.
if you notice, what is happening with the word that you circle, guys? What is happening with the word that you circle in the text?
To write in the
Yes,
hand.
they are incorrect. They are misspelled, right? So it means that you have to correct them. You have to correct them because that's not the way that these were right. Yes? Okay, so when you correct, guys, uh, you have to send it to me. Yes? Because I need to check. Now, we will stop here.